Shocking, why do our joints crack? Thoughtful face emoji, ever wondered why your joints make that strange cracking sound? It's not what you think. Most assume it's bones grinding, but the truth is more surprising. Inside your joints, there's a fluid called synovial fluid. When you stretch or move, this fluid experiences a change in pressure, creating bubbles that quickly collapse, making that signature pop sound. It's like a tiny, harmless explosion in your body. But wait, is it bad for you? Spoiler alert, it's generally harmless, unless